Hi, I'm Paul Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 3, Section 1, number 19, which reads, which choice is supported by the data in the first figure? So we go up to the first figure and let's check it out. We've got primary occupation of public transportation passengers in U.S. cities. You can see those employed outside of the home, 72%, unemployed 6.4%, student 10.7%, homemaker 2.0%, retired 6.7%, and others 2.2%. So we could take these percents and imagine them as actual numbers. Now, if there were 1,000 people, it'd be 720 employed outside the home. You just move in the decimal once. Unemployed would be 64, and so on and so forth. So when we go back to the answer choices here, answer choice A, the number of students using public transportation is greater than the number of retirees using public transportation. When we look at students, we see it's 10.7%. Retired is 6.7%. So students is greater than retirees. So it looks like this is your correct answer. Let's see what the wrong answers are. And we're going to see in particular, answer choice D is an attractive but wrong answer. We look at D. Unemployed people use public transportation less often than new people employed outside the home. Now you might look at this and say, oh, well, unemployed people, they're 6.4, and those employed outside the home are 72%. So it seems like unemployed people are using public transportation less, but the title is primary occupation of public transportation passengers in U.S. cities. What it is not measuring is less often. It's not saying how often they use it. It's just a percent using it. So how often would be they use it 5 times a week versus 4 times a week. That's not your correct answer because that's not what the table is measuring. Answer choice B, the number of employed people using public transportation and the number of unemployed people using public transportation is roughly the same. Well, we say those employed outside of the home, 72%, unemployed 6.4%. It's not close at all. So answer choice C is wrong. Answer choice B, the number of employed people using public transportation and the number of unemployed people using public transportation is roughly the same. That's actually the one we just saw. Answer choice C, people employed outside the home are less likely to use public transportation than are homemakers. So employed outside the home, 72%, homemakers 2.0, no comparison there. So employed outside the home are more likely to take public transportation, not less. So answer choice A is the correct answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble with this type of question, reading a circle graph or any type of graphic. If there's any question you'd like to get answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.